Let's make a cute card with this cute stamp by Darcy's. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be playing with this stamp set by Darcy's, and this one's called Bake the World. I love Darcy stamps and I love their cute fox image. Look how cute he is. He's mixing up a batch of cupcakes. We have a mixer and a bowl and 2 sentiments. I have a brand new Memento Tuxedo black ink. I will have the stamp set linked below for you. I was thinking about making some really cute tags or some kind of topper for like a baked goodie package, like one of those clear containers that you can like put a bunch of cookies in or cupcakes and then put a little label on top. That would be so cute. So I love that image for that. I'm going to grab some paper. I'm using my Misty today. I love using my Misty. I don't think I can make cards without it anymore. Because I like stamping my images more than once, because I like getting that crisp black line. I'll be using my favorite fox color combination for this cute little guy. And I'm going to stamp out, let's see, I could probably fit maybe the mixer and the bowl in there again. I'm going to stamp the bowl again. Sometimes there's residue on the stamps when they're brand new, so you sometimes want to wipe them off first before stamping if you're not getting a great impression. So there was something on the little mixing bowl. Shoot, that's dirty there. You can see it stamped much better after I wiped it off a couple of times. So my favorite color combination for foxes are these 3 colors here: E99, E97, and E95. And I love that Darcy stamps have the colored on top of the packaging here, so you can follow along if you want to color it the same. So I like to start with my darkest and then work my way to my lightest color. And I'm just going to put my darkest color where I want the most shading. I'm going to put it under his hat. And then these lines here, I'm just going to follow those. Let's add some on his ears. And then in the picture here, he's got a little shirt on, so you can actually color that a shirt color, or you could just have him all brown. But I think that's kind of cute. So I'm gonna color his body as he's wearing a shirt. Gives me another opportunity to add some color to the image. So I'm just going to go straight over what I colored and just bring the color out a little bit. So the two colors kind of like just blend together. And the paper I'm using is the paper from Walmart. It is called Georgia Pacific, and you have to get the one that says premium. Oh, forgot to do his little paw here. Let me go back in with my darkest and add a little shading on his paw. This little fox is so cute. Now we can do his little face there, like a peach color like they did. That looks really cute. So I can take E00 and E11. Now I'm just going to go over that again, with starting with the E11, because my dark shadows faded out. And then I'm going to smooth that out a little bit with my E00. I'm going to add a little bit of the E00 inside his ear, but I want to leave the inner portion so I could put some pink in there. I'm going to use R20 for that. And then I'll just blend it with the E00. I think I want to put a little bit of pink here. And I'll just blend it out with the E00. And I'll give him a gray black nose. So I'm using an 8. And for his shirt, I do think I want to use pink. And then I'll give him a pink heart and a pink cupcake. I'm going to do my favorite pink combination, which is R85, R83, and R81. And then I'll shade his little hat with some grays. I'm going to use BV23 and BV20. It's like a gray lavender color. And then I'm going to smooth out the outline with my colorless blender. I forgot to do the handle, and I'm going to do that in the pink color. I think I want to do some pink stripes on the bowl. I'm going to do the cupcake wrapper in the green. I do love that pink and green combination. So I'm going to use YG11 for my lightest color. I'll use YG41 for some shading. My camera shut off somewhere, not sure where, but this is how the cute little guy came out. I added some Jelly Roll highlights. I think he came out so cute. So I'm going to color up the little mixer off camera. I'll have these all cut out and we can create a little tag. I'm using the scalloped pierced rectangle die by Avery Elle. It also comes with this little tag. So I'm backing up this with a die cut, a rectangle die cut, so I could have these be adhered together. And I'm going to pop up the middle with fun foam. I have my to and from stamped on my little tag here. These are Lawn Fawn Sentiments and Heart. So I'm going to adhere my frame first with a little glue. Line this up. And I'll go from the back so I could see the alignment better. I am going to use some adhesive tape runner. While my panels are drying, let's create a little background for my images. And I probably want to do some ink smooshing, maybe some splatters, and then I'll stamp my sentiment. So I have this acrylic piece here that I can put some watercolors or ink on and spray some water on it. I think I'm going to use my Lindy Stamp Gang sprays. I'm going to try this Frostbitten Fuchsia mixed with this blue color, Tiffany Blue. I'm just going to spray some down. And then I'll just pick up the color. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry. I don't want to get it too wet. It's not watercolor paper. I'm going to stamp out my sentiment with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. This is the VersaFine Clair. I love using that ink for sentiments. It gives such a dark, clear impression. So I'll just clean off my stamp there, and I'm going to work on the background. I wanted to add a little bit of like black splatters, but I decided to use my black jelly pen, but it was out of ink, or it was not working. It was like stuck or something. I haven't used it in a while because I keep having issues with it. I need to get a new one. So I decided to take out just some black markers and finish up the little dots to create the little splatters. I'm just going to get my panels together here so I can add my fun foam to the frame. So I just added adhesive to both sides of my fun foam. I'm going to center that and then add my top panel there. And then I'm going to glue down my images there. I am going to pop up my little tag so the project has a little bit more dimension. I think it looks really cute there in the corner. I'm going to grab some sequins and randomly place them around. And I chose a pink color just to bring in some more pink into the project. So here's a closer look of the finished piece. Now I'm going to work on the smaller one. So I will do the same thing, add some fun foam to the center. Right now I'm just playing around with my placement. So I think that looks pretty cute. So I'm going to add my foam adhesive there so it could have some dimension. So I'll just add some glue adhesive and glue down the little bowl. I'll add some dimensional tape for the back of the mixer so it's popped up along with the tag. I also add the little black splatters with a pen. And then I'll top it off with some pink sequins. So this wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this bakery box topper project. The link to the stamp set will be down below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.